These are not ordinary trees. They are the ultra-hard raw material destined to become heavy-duty golden teak cricket bats.
Tree looks good. Proceeding with the cut on the left side, clear the area.
The processed trunk is now a clean, massive teak log stretching over 40 feet in length along the forest floor.
All right, everything is in order. You can head straight through the main gate.
As the first sliced slab falls away onto a side conveyor,
The saw cuts again, removing another thick slab of bark and sapwood. The goal is to square...
We now have a pile of rough, rectangular blocks, known as clefts. A worker drops it onto a metal.
The selected clefts are stamped on the end grain with a hot branding iron. Smoke rises as the factory logo and date are burned into the wood.
Workers stack the stamped clefts onto large wooden pallets in a crisscross pattern. This arrangement allows
The forklift enters a massive room lined with large metal doors, the kiln drying ovens. Since fresh teak has
The machine uses a massive blade to cut a deep, precise V-shaped notch into the top of the bat blade. This is where the handle will sit.
The clamps are released. The handle is now fused permanently to the heavy teak blade.
To assist us managing work, the vacuum lathe machine.
A heavy steel roller rolls up and down the face of the bat under thousands of pounds of pressure. This compresses the wood fibers on the surface to make it rock hard. Final sanding begins. The bat is mounted on a machine that spins it while sandpaper belts of different grits run over it.
seconds. The worker places the freshly oiled bat on a drying rack. He repeats the process for dozens of bats.
Now for the handle grip. We select a high-quality textured black rubber grip and slide it onto the metal grip cone, expanding it significantly.
Are these the stadium shipment bats?
Yeah, load them carefully. They are the ultimate test models.
The batsman takes his stance at the crease and taps the bat on the pitch. The sound is deep and solid, indicating the incredible density of the teak wood. The batsman checks the face of the bat after the hit. He runs his gloved finger over the impact zone. There is absolutely no indentation or seam mark on the wood.
Now for the Mega Maker style durability test. We move off the pitch to a concrete testing area.
Close-up of the bat's edge after hitting the brick. There is a small scratch, but the wood fibers are intact.
He's slaying. The ball deflects off the toe into the ground. The batsman lifts the bat. The rubber toe guard has absorbed the shock.
The batsman uses the heavy bat to defend softly. The dense wood absorbs all the kinetic energy, causing the ball to drop dead instantly near his feet.
test is complete. The bat has survived everything.
Analysis shows numerous high-velocity impacts, yet the teak remains completely intact. Remarkable durability.
This is the result of Phase 3 shaping. Even with heavy teak, the pickup is perfect, balancing gently like a scale.
We finally finished it.
Thumbs up indeed.
It's perfect.
What wood should we use next? Ebony? Rosewood? Comment below.
I couldn't lift it. That thing is incredibly heavy. I can't believe it.